Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage farmhouse inspired interior decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage farmhouse inspired interior decor is a decorating style that creates a warm, welcoming entrance by blending the rustic simplicity of farmhouse design with the timeless charm of vintage pieces. The goal is to make your home's first impression feel cozy, functional, and full of character. Some of the defining features include weathered oak furniture, a distressed console table, wooden bench, or a small cabinet with a naturally aged appearance. Vintage accents use antique mirrors, old clocks, enamel pictures, windows lanterns, or rustic picture frames that add history and personality. Use neutral color palette like soft white, cream, beige, taupe, shades green, and muted gray. Create a calm, inviting atmosphere. Use natural textures, open baskets, jute jugs, linen cushions, cotton textiles, and galvanized metal accessories add warmth and texture. Practical storage. Use wall hooks, coat racks, baskets, and storage benches. Help organize shoes, bags, hats, and scarves while maintaining a tidy look. Use charming greenery. Pressure box eucalyptus, lavender, olive branches, or seasonal flowers. Bring life to the space. Use soft lighting. Lantern-style wall sconces or table lamps with warm bulbs create a welcoming glow. To complete the look, consider adding personal touches, such as a vintage welcoming sign, a small collection of antique books, a ceramic vase filled with seasonal flowers, or a cozy throw chopped over a wooden bench. Overall, vintage farmhouse inspired interior decor combines comfort, practicality, and nostalgic charm, making guests feel at home the moment they step through your front door. Vintage farmhouse inspired interior decor is more than just a decorating style. It is about creating an entrance that will live in, welcoming, and timeless. Every piece should appear thoughtfully collected over time rather than purchased as a matching set. Here are more decorating ideas and characteristics of this style. Choose furniture with character. Look for furniture made from solid wood with a distressed or weathered finish. A vintage console table, use antique dresser or rustic bench, adds both beauty and function. Small imperfections like old paint or natural wood grain enhance the authentic farmhouse feel. Layer different textures. Combine a variety of textures, creates depth and warmth. Try pairing a jute or beaded jug, beaker or wire basket, linen or cotton cushions, wooden furniture, galvanized metal containers. Use ceramic or stoneware vases. The mix of natural materials makes the entryway feel cozy and inviting. Decorate with meaningful vintage finds. Instead of filling the space with many decorations, display a few carefully chosen pieces, such as antique clocks, vintage family photographs, old books, wooden crates, rustic lanterns, and enamel pictures filled with seasonal flowers. These items give the entryway a sense of history and personality. Bring nature indoors. Natural elements are an essential part of farmhouse design. Decorate with olive branches, eucalyptus, lavender, cotton stems, wildflowers, and small potted herbs. The simple touches add freshness while complementing the neutral color palette. Keep the space functional. A beautiful entryway should also be practical. Include a bench or putting on shoes, wall hooks for coats and hats, baskets for shoes or umbrellas, a tray or bowl for keys and mail. This keeps the area organized without sacrificing style. And seasonal charm. One of the joys of vintage farmhouse decorating is updating the space throughout the year. Spring, use tulip, daffodils, and pastel accents. For summer, use fresh greenery, open baskets, and light linens. For autumn, use pumpkins, dried wheat, pine cones, and plain truss. For winter, use evergreen branches, lanterns, candles, and cozy knit blankets. Create a welcoming atmosphere. The best windows from house entryways feel warm rather than perfect. Use soft lighting, comfortable seating, natural materials, and treasured window spaces work together to create an inviting first impression that reflects the comfort and charm of a country home. A windows from house inspired entryway is designed to feel welcoming, comfortable, and naturally elegant. It combines rustic craftsmanship with treasured window spaces, creating a space that feels both beautiful and practical. Focus on timeless craftsmanship. Use furniture that looks durable and handcrafted. Use solid wood benches, reclaimed oak console tables, and windows cabinets become focal points while providing useful storage. Aged finishes and natural imperfections adds authenticity. Create visual layers. Layering makes the entryway feel collected over time. For example, place a vintage rug over hardwood or stone flooring. Anchor distress mirror above a console table. Add a ceramic vase with greenery. Fresh with open basket underneath for extra storage. These layers create depth without making the space feel crowded. Use a soft, earthy color palette. Windows from house interiors often feature calming colors such as warm white, ivory, cream, soft beige, taupe, fresh green, dusty blue, and charcoal accents. These colors reflect natural light and create a beautiful atmosphere. Incorporate architectural details if possible. Include classic from house features like shiplap or bedboard walls, reclaimed oak beams, board and battered wall treatments, vintage style trim and moldings. These details give the entryway a timeless country character. Display everyday essentials beautifully instead of hidden daily items. Make them part of the decor. Hang straw hats on decorative hooks. Store shoes in wicker baskets. Place umbrellas in a vintage crock. Keep keys in a small wooden tray. Fold a cozy throw blanket over a bench. Function and beauty work together in farmhouse design. Add warmth to cladding. Warm cladding helps create an inviting entrance. Consider lantern-style pendant lights, windows-inspired wall sconces, table lamps with linen shades, battery-operated candles, and side rustic lanterns. A soft glow makes the entryway feel cozy, especially in the evening. Include handmade and heirloom pieces. Windows from house decor celebrate these items with a story. Use handmade quads, crocheted runners, embroidered linens, antique frames, pottery, or family heirlooms. Add unique charm that can't be replicated by mass-product decor. Keep the decor balanced. Avoid filling every surface with decorations. Leave some open space so each window space stands out. A few carefully selected accessories often create a more elegant and relaxing entryway than an overcrowded display. When thoughtfully designed, a windows from house inspired entryway becomes more than just a passage into the home. It sets a warm, welcoming tone and reflects the love of craftsmanship, simplicity, and timeless country charm. A windows from house inspired entryway should feel as though it has evolved naturally over many years, rather than looking perfectly coordinated. It combines old and new elements in a way that feels relaxed, inviting, and full of personality. Embrace the beauty of aged finishes. Windows from house styles celebrate these materials that show signs of time and use. Look for distress painted oak, reclaimed timber, old leather accents, antique brass or iron hardware, weathered galvanized metal. These finishes add depth and authenticity without making the space feel worn out. Create a welcoming focal point. Every entryway benefits from one standout feature. This could be a large antique mirror, a reclaimed old console table, or a vintage storage bench, or a rustic hall tree with hooks, and an old farmhouse cabinet. The focal point anchors the room and provides a place to build the rest of the decor. Decorate with collected treasures. Instead of buying matching accessories, mix items that look like they have been collected over time. Examples include vintage books, ceramic crocks, stoneware pictures, old open baskets, antique clocks, botanical prints, and wooden cutting boards. Used as decorative backdrops, this creates a charming, layering look. Add softness with textiles. Textiles help balance the roughness of wood and metal. Consider using linen table runners, crocheted towels, cotton cushions, plaid or floral throw blankets, and beaded or open rugs. These fabrics make the entryway feel comfortable and welcoming. Create the seasonal naturally. A vintage farmhouse entryway can change shape throughout the year. Spring, use fresh tulips, blossom branches, and pastel pottery. For summer, use wild flowers, open hats, and light cotton fabrics. For autumn, use dried wheat, pumpkins, wooden crates, and warm plate accents. Celebrate the season naturally. A vintage farmhouse entryway can change shape throughout the year. Spring, use fresh tulips, blossom branches, and pastel pottery. For summer, use wild flowers, open hats, and light cotton fabrics. For autumn, use dried wheat, pumpkins, wooden crates, and warm plate accents. For winter, use pine branches, evergreen trees, lanterns, and turkey straws. Natural seasonal decorations keep the space feeling fresh while staying true to the farmhouse aesthetic. Include personal touches. The most memorable farmhouse entryways reflect the people who live there. You might display handmade crochet pieces, antique heirlooms, vintage travel finds, handwritten welcome sign, and the favorite antique vase filled with seasonal greenery. These details make the home feel unique and lived in. Keep comfort at the heart of the design. The true spirit of vintage farmhouse decor is comfort over perfection. A cozy bench, soft lighting, natural materials, practical storage, and meaningful vintage features work together to create an entryway that feels warm, peaceful, and inviting from the moment someone steps inside. A vintage farmhouse inspired entryway is about creating a graceful transition from the outdoors to the comfort of your home. It blends rustic simplicity, vintage charm, and everyday functionality, making guests feel welcomed before they enter the main living space. Balance old and new. A hallmark of this style is combining vintage treasures with practical modern pieces. For example, pair an antique console table with a contemporary open basket, or place a modern lamp on a weathered wooden cabinet. This balance keeps the space functional while preserving its nostalgic appeal. Style your console table thoughtfully. A farmhouse console table looks best when decorated in layers of different heights. You can combine a tall mirror or framed artwork as the backdrop, a ceramic or stoneware vase filled with greenery, a stack of vintage books, a small candle or lanterns. Use a decorative wooden tray for keys and everyday essentials. These arrangements feel elegant without appearing cluttered. Choose classic farmhouse patterns. Patterns are charming while maintaining a timeless appearance. Popular choices include soft floral prints, gingham checks, ticking stripes, ring-sack patterns, simple plate designs. Use these on cushions, runners, rugs, or small decorative accents. Make storage part of the decor. Farmhouse style celebrates practical beauty. Decorative storage ideas include wicker baskets for shoes, oven crates for blankets, wall hooks for coats and hats, ceramic crafts for umbrellas, leaded baskets for cloaks and scarves. Keeping essentials neatly stored helps the entryway remain calm and welcoming. Add natural fragrance. A pleasant scents makes an entryway feel even more inviting. You might use fresh eucalyptus branches, lavender bundles, dried herbs, beeswax candles, cedarwood sets. This natural fragrance complete the farmhouse aesthetic better than strong artificial scents. Keep the atmosphere relaxed. Winter's farmhouse design is not about perfect symmetry. A slightly weathered bench, a hand-woven basket, a favorite old lantern, and a vase of fresh flowers create an effortless charm that feels genuine and comfortable. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me.